Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you very very delicious and very healthy recipe. It is called Aloo Methi Paratha, and I'm going to show you one dal which is made with black urad. It is complete dal. So I'm going to show you this. Okay, now for that, for all this I will need say about 5 to 6 boiled potatoes. Into that I'm going to add a coarse paste of say about 10 to 12 garlic pods, then half inch ginger and 1.5 green chili because they are very spicy. If you like, you can increase these chilies and coarsely pound them. Okay, and into this I'm going to add this one bowl finely chopped methi, because this is aloo methi paratha. Okay, so this I will be showing you later on how to mix. And for this I have already kneaded a dough little harder than chapati dough. Okay, little harder. Okay, this I'm keeping on one side. Now for the dal, I have already kept oil to get heated, say 2 ladles. These are my 2 ladles. Okay, these 2 ladles I've kept. Now inside this, now for this dal I need this 1 katori black urad, complete akha urad. Then into that I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. Then 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Then here I have taken say about 10 to 12 garlic pods and 1 inch ginger to be coarsely pound. Okay, now the oil is already heated. Now into this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. I'll put, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Okay, and little asafoetida. It's over. Okay. Okay, I'll put this later on. And into this now I'm going to add onion. And you're not going to saute it for too long, okay? Just it becomes translucent, only till that time. And after this I'm going to add tomato and the paste of garlic and ginger. Remember, garlic is 10 to 12 pods and 1 inch ginger, coarsely pound. See, now into this I have added say about 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Now this is done. The rawness of onion and tomato is gone. Now into this I'm going to add, this is garam masala, so I'm just going to put 1 spoon hip full of garam masala, then 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Okay, then 1 teaspoon flat, this should be flat, not hipped, turmeric powder, little, yeah, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Okay, done. And I'm going to add salt to taste. Okay, so this I'm going to add 1.5. Later on we will adjust the salt level. Now this I'm mixing here, and into this say about after a minute, let it get cooked for a minute, and into this I'm going to add, okay, let this get cooked. Okay, now this is done. Now into this I'm going to add this dal, urad dal, and I will mix it. Wait on. I'm going to take so much water. Okay. So much full of water. Now before adding water, I'll just simply mix it. This dal tastes so nice, I'm telling you, along with paratha. Now into this, I'll just simply add water. So much of water, more than enough. I'll mix it. And I will cover the lid. And I will put the whistle. Going to cook it till 3 to 4 whistles. Now since we have to show how to make aloo paratha, I'll switch over this to this flame here on the gas. I'll just switch over here and put the gas off. Till 3 to 4 whistles. See, this is the dough, okay? And now this is almost say half kg boiled potatoes mashed. Now into this I am adding this ½ inch ginger, the coarse paste of ½ inch ginger, 1½ green chilli, depends on how spicy you want, and say about 10 to 12 garlic pods. Okay, this is all according to your taste. Okay, now into this I'm going to add methi. Okay, finely chopped methi. Okay, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt according to your taste. Okay, now this I will knead and make a. Now see, I've kept the solution of aloo and methi. Okay, and the dough is ready. Now let me tell you, parathas have originated in India only. What is the meaning? These are the paratha is the amalgamation of 2 words. One is parat. Parat is any plate, and into that paratha, atta. Atta means atta. That is the wheat dough, the wheat flour, and you have to knead that, and you have to make different layers of the dough and bake it. So the paratha has actually originated in India. Okay, now let us make. Now I am taking this little part of it, okay, and then I'll just dip it here into this, okay, and then I'm just going to make a small well inside this. Okay, like this you have to make the well. Okay, now into this well here you fill this and then go on filling it like this. With one finger you have to press this filling in and you have to make it like this. It should be completely closed from all the sides, otherwise your filling will come out. Okay, this is done here. Okay, and then again I'm going to roll it. Pack it properly, otherwise you will face a lot of problem. Okay, here this has been packed. Now what I will do, I will again roll it. The side should be little thin, it shouldn't be very thick. I'll apply some more atta on the top and some atta down. And again going to roll it. it should be evenly spread. The Mughal emperor was finding it very difficult to, he wanted his cook to make something new dish. Daily the same thing, the rice and the non-veg and all. He wanted something new. So his cook actually invented this paratha. Now this is already done, already hot. After say 3-4 whistles, I lowered the gas flame, and say about after 10 minutes, I put the gas flame off. Now I will put this paratha here like this and let it roast. Okay, again I will show you the second one. Okay, and into this I am going to take out. Now see, I have flipped the paratha. Now parathas are to be roasted with oil. Lot of oil to make them crispy. Okay, this is from one side. Now let this get roasted on the other side, and then okay, I'll do one thing here. Now on the top of this I'm going to put oil. This is done, it's not wet. Okay, now here so much oil. Now let this get roasted from one side and I'll show you how it looks. See, this is how roasted with lot of oil. Now like this I'll make say about 2 more, and then I'll show you how to serve it. Now before I show you the serving, I want you all to do one thing. All the new subscribers, please, all the new viewers, please subscribe my channel first. View my videos. If you like them, click on to thumbs up or the like button, and share my videos with your friends, family and relatives. Now I'll show you the presentation of today's dish, that is Methi Aloo Paratha and Sabut Urad Dal. Okay, now here this is, I have prepared these 2 parathas. Now I have served them along with some curd, pickle and the akka urad dal. Okay, and this tastes so awesome. You must try this dish, and please write your comments in the comments box. Thank you.